Assalamu alaikum dear friends. Today this video is about how to make QR scan code to hide your personal information like your personal contact and your personal pictures. And if you want to share your contact with your friends, so you do not need to share your contact directly. You can share your contact as a QR scan code. And if you want to hide some information like your pictures in your gallery, you just want to hide your information, then you have to do is what, to download a QR scanner and make a QR scan, and then you will hide your information easily. And this will also be helpful in your memory saving project. Then now we are going to discuss what is QR scanning code and how can we make a QR scan for our personal use. You just need to go on a Play Store and type QR code generator. Then you will show the Play Store will show lot of applications over there, but you need to first check the rating and feedback and downloading. So as I saw, this is the good application. I have already downloaded it and I just will open it through this. Then here is the interface, and we are waiting to just for this application is ready. Go to the create QR, and then you can look at what things we can do through this application. We can hide a clipboard, we can make a QR for the text and for the links, and we can make the QR for Wi-Fi, SMS, email, telephone, etc., WhatsApp. So I just will present a demo for your just for your WhatsApp contact. So there is a application, and write the number as my number is someone 92, and if a number is looking like this, create. Go to create. Now your QR scanning code for your WhatsApp is ready. You just need to click over the download, and then your QR code will be downloaded to your mobile memory, and you can share this QR code with your friends to just add your contact in their mobiles gallery. So this was the video. I hope you like this video and you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the instant notification for my next coming videos. Allah Hafiz.